Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 8 to the power of 4 minus x squared is equal to 1. Now, if you guys already didn't know, let's say we have the variable a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So anything to the power of 0 is actually equal to 1, meaning the same goes for 8. 8 to the power of 0 is equal to 1 as well. So now all we have to do is we have to set our exponent here, 4 minus x squared, to 0. So now we have 4 minus x squared is equal to 0. Now, 4, this is equal to 2 squared. So we have 2 squared minus x squared. This is equal to 0. And if we have something in the form a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So in this case, 2 would be a and x would be b. So this would be 2 plus x times 2 minus x, and this is equal to 0. So this gives us two equations. We have 2 plus x is equal to 0, and 2 minus x is equal to 0. So for 2 plus x equals 0, x is equal to negative 2. And for 2 minus x equals 0, x is equal to positive 2. So these are two solutions, 2 and negative 2. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of 8 is equal to 36 squared. Now 8, as we all know, is equal to 4 times 2. So I'm going to rewrite this as x to the power of 4 times 2 is equal to 36 squared. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m times n, this is equal to a to the power of m to the power of n, or also vice versa. This could equal a to the power of n to the power of m. So in this case, we have x to the power of 4 times 2, and we can think of 4 as m and 2 as n. So I'm actually going to rewrite this as x to the power of 4 to the power of 2. And now this is equal to 36 squared. And now I'm going to take the square root on both sides. So we have the square root of x to the power of 4 squared, and we also have the square root of 36 squared. And the square root cancels both of these powers. So now we have x to the power of 4 is equal to 36. And now now 4, this is equal to 2 times 2. So now we have x to the power of 2 times 2 is equal to 36. And again, if we have something in the form a to the power of m times n, this is equal to a to the power of m to the power of n. So I'm going to rewrite this as x to the power of 2 to the power of 2. And now this is equal to, I'm going to rewrite 36 as 6 squared. And now I'm going to take the square root on both sides once again. These two cancel out. These two cancel out. And I'm left with x squared is equal to 6. Now if I take the square root on both sides, these two cancel out. And I'm left with x is equal to plus or minus square root of 6. So this is our answer.